Hi everyone, this is Kiran here from Architect. I hope all of you are ready for Labor Day long weekend. Stay safe. Today, I'll be reviewing and unboxing Elgato's Wave Pop Filter. People always ask me, what is a pop filter and what is its use for them? A pop filter shields the vocals with plosive sounds like P's and B's. Wave Pop Filter features dual-layer steel mesh for optimum air current diffusion, eliminating pops and hisses caused by plosive speech sounds. This filter works well with Elgato's Wave 1 and Wave 3 premium mics. One thing to notice, Elgato Wave 3 already comes with an internal pop filter. Let's try out a plosive phrase before and after installation of the external pop filter. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Let's check out more during unboxing. Alright, we have our Wave Pop filter from Elgato, and don't go by the box size, it's not heavy at all. I think even in the box they just have two items, the pop filter and the start guide. Let's unbox it. Okay. Yep, as I mentioned, comes with a very standard start guide. That's it. How to hook it up to the mic. And alright, this is our pop filter. Alright, so as I mentioned, the build quality looks good. Has two steel mesh, and also the clip. I think it comes with a magnet so that it hook it up. Let's try to mount it to our Elgato Wave 3. Alright, let's try to install the external Wave Pop filter to my Wave 3 mic. The installation is pretty simple. You just hook it up and I think the magnets will clutch onto it. That's it, if you see over here. And so before we end, let's try the plosive phrase again now that we have installed the external pop filter. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Do let me know if you observed any sound difference, since already Wave 3 mic comes with an internal pop filter. I'm pretty sure adding an external pop filter will enhance the sound further. Let me know how you liked today's video, put your comments in, and as always, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Until next time, see ya.